Hello guys, welcome to a new video. Today, I am unboxing CASIO watch, model WS-1500H-5BVEF. Let's get started. The CASIO WS-1500H watch includes the following functions. 1. Moon data, displays the moon phase for a specific date. 2. Fishing mode. The suitability of a specific date and time for fishing is indicated as one of 4 levels. 3. Stopwatch, measures elapsed time, split time, and final time with 1/100 second accuracy up to 100 hours. 4. Countdown timer, counts down from a preset time with a range of up to 24 hours. 5. Multi-alarm, includes multiple daily alarms and a snooze feature. 6. Hourly time signal, beeps every hour on the hour. 7. LED light, illuminates the watch face for easy reading in the dark. 8. 12/24 hour format, displays the time in either 12-hour or 24-hour format. 9. Full auto calendar, automatically updates the date, accounting for leap years. 10. World time, displays the current time in major cities and specific areas around the world. 11. Water resistance, rated for 100 meters, suitable for swimming and snorkeling. The watch case, band, and glass are made of resin. The battery can last up to 10 years. The case width is 50 millimeters. My wrist size is 17 centimeters or 6.6 inches. How do you like this watch, and how would you rate it from 1 to 10? Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments.